Hi, my name is Zach Johnson. I serve as the president of Sattler College, and I wanted to invite you to Boston this fall for our fall open house. It's October 18 and 19, that's a Friday and Saturday. And if you haven't been to Boston in the fall, it's one of the most gorgeous places to visit in the country. It's called Fall Foliage. And you can come and see some of the leaves changing colors, and as well as see our campus here. And we wanted to say that if you're able to start an application, we will reimburse you up to $200 for any costs that you might incur. And then if you finish the application, then you'll be reimbursed $300 for any costs that you incur to travel to Boston. And I just encourage you that if you haven't been to Boston before, it's one of the most important cities in the US in terms of its history for both the country and also Christianity, which I wanted to share. We're also doing a Christian history tour on Saturday. So if that's something you're interested in, I encourage you to come. And then I also wanted to say that if you haven't heard yet, Sattler is now fully entrusted, meaning that instead of tuition, we've crossed out tuition, we've launched entrustment. So every single accepted student gets a fully funded tuition offer. So I challenge you to come to start your application. And if you're on the fence, come and ask all your questions, meet our staff, meet our students, and it'll be a great time.